Government does more than collect taxes and write laws. Volumes of information, much of it public, is collected and stored by governments large and small. Now, the city of Grand Rapids is looking at ways to get that information to you. 24-Hour News 8's Joe LaFurgey has this story.
If you want to know what kind of crimes are happening in your neighborhood, it's on the Grand Rapids Police Department page of the city's website. Want to know the tax bill for that house you're looking at? Go to the city assessor's page.
You know, the city we collect a lot of information, and almost all that we collect is accessible by citizens now.
The challenge in all of this, letting citizens know what's available.
The notion is, one, we want to be transparent. We want to publish every document that we have that's a public document.
So, Grand Rapids City Manager Greg Sundstrom and other city officials turned their attention west to Chicago. The manager, along with several other community leaders, recently went to the Windy City to investigate that city's efforts to improve mobility. But they also picked up some tips on the way Chicago handles so-called big data. The country's third largest city has made that information more accessible to the public. And now, Grand Rapids will begin working on a plan to bring all of the raw data into a single portal the public can access.
They can do nothing with it, or they can dive in and use it as they wish.
But there was another outcome in Chicago. Entrepreneurs took that free public information and turned it into apps.
There are apps for finding daycare services in Chicago. Again, all information based on city inspection records, for example. When's the next bus coming? When's the next L train coming? How can I get a cab? All of those things. Apps have been developed by this public information that has been published.
Joe LaFurgey, 24-Hour News 8.